These are all the spare parts in the package, includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove the nut spacer. Install the training wheel and spacer in that order and tighten the nut. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Turn the forks straight. Pick up the stem, loosen the stem screws, and remove the protective sleeve. The stem can now be inserted into the head tube beyond the minimum safety line, and the nut tightened. Loosen the stem cover screws and remove the stem cover. Mounting the handlebar on the stem. Alternate screws and tighten them last. Finally, put on the rubber plugs that protect the screws. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the fork protection bar. Unscrew the nuts and spacers on both sides of the front wheel. Note the orientation on the tire. Then mount the wheel on the forks. Install the spacer and nut in turn and tighten. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled, R is the right pedal and L is the left. Insert the pedals into the cranks and screw them in, then tighten with a wrench. Right footrest tighten clockwise, left footrest tighten counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp and tighten it after inserting the saddle tube into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Step 6. Assemble other accessories. Attach the bell to the handlebar. The front light piece is mounted on the tube between the handlebar and the wrist set. Rear reflector mounted on saddle tube. Install the axle protection cover on the axle. Velcro the handlebar strap to the handlebar. Safety trainer handle balance push bar need to be mounted on the saddle and tightened before fitting into the seat tube. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.